HCF of 7 power 18 minus 1. One more 7 power 24 minus 1. 7 power 18 minus 1. 7 power 24 minus 1. 7 power 24 minus 1. Write down a series of questions, sir. HCF of 4 power 63 plus 1. 4 power 57 plus 1. 57 plus 1. HCF of 3 power 6 minus 2 power 6. 3 power 4 minus 2 power 4. HCF of 3 power 6 minus 2 power 6. 3 power 4 minus 2 power 4. Let us solve these questions logically. First one, 7 power 18 minus 1. Traditional method. Then I will tell you the optimal method. Method 1. Answer will be a factor of their difference. So 7 power 24 minus 7 power 18. This is factor of 7 power 18 common. 7 power 6 minus 1. 7 power 6 minus 1. Now listen carefully. If you observe here, if answer is divisible by 7, output is divisible by 7, input all the numbers should be divisible by 7. These divisible by 7. 1 is not divisible by 7. So this is not possible. 7 power 6 minus 1. Definitely let us see. 7 power 18 minus 1. 7 power 6 whole cube minus 1 whole cube. A cube minus B cube. It is always divisible by A minus B. 7 power 24 minus 1. 7 power 6 power 4 minus 1 power 4. A power n minus B power n. It is always divisible by A minus B. It is always divisible by A minus B. It is always divisible by A minus B. Answer will be 7 power 6 minus 1, or you can take the HCF of 18 and 24. HCF of 18 and 24, it is 6. Why we are taking the HCF? Because we are writing that number as A power n minus B power n. We are writing the number as A power n minus B power n. I hope the idea it is clear. Second question. Second one. So answer method 2 will be, method 2 is derived from method 1. 7 power of HCF of 18 and 24 minus 1. Right? It is always important to know the why behind a question. Second one. If you see the second one. HCF of 4 power 63 plus 1. 4 power 57 plus 1. So answer will be a factor of their difference. So if I take difference, 4 power 63 minus 4 power 57. First number is greater than second number. First number is greater than second number. So this can be written as factor of 4 power 57. If I take it out, this is 4 power 6 minus 1. 4 power 6 minus 1. Now again, if you observe logically, 4 is an even number, 1 is an odd number, 4 is an even number, 1 is an odd number, even plus odd, odd, even plus odd, odd. HCF of any two odd numbers, it has to be odd. 4 power 57, it is an even number, that will go away. 4 power 6 minus 1, 6 I cannot take, because it is 6 tens are 60, 6 11s are 66. Condense it. 4 power 6 minus 1 is 4 cube minus 1 into 4 cube plus 1. 4 cube plus 1. 4 cube plus 1. 64. 4 cube plus 1. Now if you see here, this is 64 minus 1, 63. 63 is divisible by 3 and 7. Answer is divisible by 3. Question should be, both the numbers should be divisible by 3. 4 by 3, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, not divisible. These out. 4 cube plus 1, 4 cube plus 1. 4 cube plus 1, is it a factor? Let us see. 4 power 63 plus 1 can be written as 4 cube power 21 plus 1 power 21. a power n plus b power n, it is always divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. If n is an odd number. So answer is 4 cube plus 1. Similarly, 4 power 57 plus 1 can also be written as 4 cube power 19 plus 1 power 19. A power n plus b power n. It is always divisible by a plus b. You should ask yourself question, why it should be only the 4 HCF of 57 and 63. Why other numbers cannot be the answer? This is the proof behind it. I hope the answer is clear. HCF of any two numbers, answer will be a factor of their difference. Difference will be 4 power 63 minus 4 power 57. 4 power 57 common. 4 power 6 minus 1. 4 power 6 minus 1. 6. 57 is not a multiple of 6. So it cannot be written, and that too it is a power n plus b power n. I got a power n minus b power n. So these 4 cube minus 1, 4 cube plus 1. 4 cube minus 1 is 63. 63 is divisible by 3. Answer is divisible by 3. Both the numbers should be divisible by 3. These 4 power 57 plus 1 not divisible by 3. Answer not. Idea clear? So here it is 3 power 6 minus 2 power 6. This can be written as a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube, which is 3 cube minus 2 cube into 3. I hope it is clear. So these a cube minus b cube. 3 square minus 2 square. 3 square plus 3 into 2 whole square plus 2 square. Similarly, it will be 3 power 4 minus 2 power 4 will be 3 square whole square minus 2 square whole square. A square minus b square. 3 square minus 2 square into 3 square plus 2 square. 2 square. So answer will be, what is common in both? 3 square minus 2 square, it is common. 3 square minus 2 square. 9 minus 4, 5. You can take the factor of these difference and check it out. Any factors are there. There will be nothing factors. 3 square, 3 square, it will go away. 2 square, 2 square, it will go away. 3 into 2, 6 square, 36 I will get. This is an odd number, this is an even number. Odd minus even, it is odd. Odd minus even, it is odd. HCF of two odd numbers, it will be odd. So if I subtract it, 3 square minus 3 square, 3 square, 3 square out, 2 square, 2 square out, I am getting an even number. So it is not possible. So whenever you find questions like this is the way that you should follow, or otherwise, in case if you want a direct thing, why it should be the answer I said. Take the HCF of the powers. 1824 HCF is 6. 6357 HCF is 3. Take the HCF of 6 and 4, which is 2. 6 and 4, it is 2. 3 square minus 2 square. But it's important to know why other numbers it is not possible. Why other numbers it is not possible. Idea it is clear? Next question, please write down. Now we will do some questions orally. Some questions orally we will do depending upon whatever we have studied. Question. HCF of 11 power 12 minus 1. 11 power 16 minus 1. 12, 16. HCF it is 4. So answer is 11 power 4 minus 1. Next one. Find the HCF of, for example, 7 power 39 plus 1, 7 power 65 plus 1, 65 plus 1, 7 power 39 plus 1, 7 power 65 plus 1, 39, 65, HCF it is 13, 7 power 13 plus 1, 7 power 13 plus 1. Next one, HCF of, for example, 5 power 27 plus 8, 5 power 27 plus 8. I hope it is clear. This can be written as a cube plus b cube. This is 127. 127. This can be written as 5 cube plus 2. 5 cube plus 2. A power a plus b is always a factor of a power n plus b power n. So answer is a plus b. 125 plus 2. 127. What are the concepts that we discussed? A power n minus b power n is divisible by a minus b. It is also divisible by a plus b if n is even. It is when n is an natural number. A power n plus b power n, it is divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. N is an odd number. N is an odd number. Suppose, for example, if the question is remainder of 7 power 24, 7 power 24, 7 power 24 minus for example 2048. 2048. Let us do 7 power 24, it is 12 square. So we will take 16. 16. I am just trying to create a question which satisfies the second one. These 7 power 24 minus 16. HCF of, for example, 7 power 12 plus 4. 7 power 12 plus 4. Suppose if you see the 7 power 12 whole square minus 4 square, it is a minus b and a plus b. I hope you are able to correlate. Here there is one factor, here there is one factor. Answer is 7 power 12 plus 4. A power n minus b power n, it is always divisible by a minus b. If n is an even number, it is also divisible by a plus b. It is also divisible by a plus b. This is another model of HCF questions. Another model. Please write down. Another model. Question will be HCF of 2 written 4 times, 2 written 4 times, comma 2 written 6 times, comma 2 written 6 times. HCF of 2 written 4 times and 2 written 6 times. Method 1. Based on method number 1, we will use method number 2. Method number 1. 2 written 4 times, 2 written 6 times. Now listen carefully. This can be written as HCF of 2 into 1 written 4 times, 2 into 1 written 6 times. I hope the idea it is clear. So this will be HCF of 2 by 9 into 9 written 4 times, 2 by 9 into 9 written 6 times. I multiplied and divided by 9. I multiplied and divided by 9. So this will be HCF of 2 by 9. It is 99 is 10 square minus 1. 10 cube 999 is 1000 minus 1. It is 10 power 4 minus 1, comma 2 by 9 into 10 power 6 minus 1. 10 power 6 minus 1. I hope till it is HCF of. So it is fractions. Now if you see here, HCF of 2 into 10 power 4 minus 1, 2 into 10 power 6 minus 1. By 9 by 9. What is HCF of fractions? HCF of fractions will be HCF of numerator by LCM of denominator. HCF of numerator by LCM of denominator. By LCM of denominator. Just now we solved this question. We will use the logic. So what we'll do is 2, 2. Anyway, HCF of 2 and 2, it is 2. 10 power 4 minus 1, 10 power 6 minus 1. What is the HCF of 4 and 6? It is 2. So it is 2 into 10 square minus 1. LCM of 9 comma 9 is 9. So it is 2 into 99 by 9. What will be the answer? 22. What will be the answer? 22. I hope the idea it is clear. HCF of fractions, it is always termed as HCF of numerator by LCM of denominator. Method 2. Method 2. Listen carefully, sir. Method number 2. It is a very, very easy approach. It is nothing but HCF of 2 written 4 times. HCF of 2 written 4 times. 2 is written 4 times. Again, 2 is written how many times? 6 times. 2 is written 6 times. 4 times 6 times. 4 times 6 times. Take the HCF of 4 times 6 times 2 times. Answer will be 2 written 2 times. What is the proof? This is the proof to get the answer. HCF of 2 written 4 times, 2 written 6 times. Answer will be 2 written 2 times. 4 times and 6 times, it will be 2 times. I hope the idea will be clear. Now, next one. HCF of 5 written 9 times. 5 written 9 times, comma, 5 written 12 times. 5 written 9 times, comma, 5 written 12 times. 5 written 9 times and 5 written 12 times. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. 9 times and 12 times, it will be 3 times. So answer is, which digit is getting repeated? 5. Answer will be 5 written 3 times. 5 written 3 times. If anybody asks a proof, this is the proof. 5 by 9 into 10 power 9 minus 1. HCF of 5 by 9 into 10 power 9 minus 1. This will be 5 by 12 into 10 power 12 minus 1. 10 power 12 minus 1. So HCF of fractions, HCF of numerator will be 5 into 10 power 9 minus 1 by 9, comma, 5 into 10 power 12 minus 1 by 12. HCF of fractions will be HCF of numerator. 5 will get. This I will get 9 and 12. HCF it is 3. 10 cube minus 1 by HCF of, sorry, it is, why I wrote here, it is 9, sir. 5 by 9. So here it is 9. So this will be 9. 5 into 999 divided by 9. So answer will be 5 written 3 times. 5 written 3 times. I hope the idea it is clear. Idea clear, right? 5 written 3 times. Very, very interesting questions it is. The next question is a very interesting question, sir. HCF of 3 written 3 written. Most of the students will do a mistake in this question. Question is HCF of 3 written 2010 times. 3 written 2010 times, comma, 7 written 2005 times. 7 written 2005 times. HCF of 3 written 2010 times and 7 written 2005 times. 7 written 2005 times. Most of them will tell the answer as 2010, 2005. It is 5. They might tell the answer as 5 ones. They might tell the answer as 5 ones. Why it is mistake, we will see. Now, if you see here, HCF of 3 by 9 into 10 power 2010 minus 1, comma, 7 by 9 into 10 power 2005 minus 1. 10 power 2005 minus 1. Are you with me? Right? 3 into 10 power 2010 minus 1, 7 by 9 into 2005. So what is the mistake they will do is 3 and 7 are co-prime. 10 power 2010 minus 1, 10 power 2005 minus 1. Answer is 10 power 5 minus 1 divided by 9, which is 5 nines. Which is 5 nines. Which is 5 nines divided by 9. It is 5 ones. So, sir, what is the mistake here? There is a small calculation mistake which you did it. Now see here. Till here it is right. 5 ones it is right. 5 ones it is right. Now see here. Listen carefully, sir. This is 777 written 2005 times. Can I say that it is divisible by 7? 3333333. It is written 2010 times. It is seems to be divisible by 3. So apart from 5 ones, let me see if 3 possibility, 7 possibility will come. This is divisible by 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. 3 written any number of times, it is divisible by 3. These divisible by 3. These divisible by 3. 777 written 2005 times. What is the sum of the divisibility rule for 3? Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. 7 into 2005. 7 sevens are 49, not divisible. That is the reason 5 ones answer is not divisible by 3. Now listen carefully. Listen carefully. This is divisible by 7. If this is divisible by 7, there is a concept for 7. Any single non-zero digit, any single non-zero digit written in groups of 6, any single non-zero digit written in groups of 6, it is always divisible by 7. It is always divisible by 7. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Plus minus. What is the divisibility rule of 7? Start from right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively plus minus. So, groups of 6. Is 2010 divisible by 6? Please see. 2010 divisible by 6. 6 3s are 18, 21. 6 3s are 18, 30. It is perfectly divisible. So, answer is 7 into 5 ones. Answer is 7 into 5 ones. Not 5 ones, 7 into 5 ones. And another way of looking at it is, now see here, 10 power 2005 minus 1, 10 power 2010 minus 1. 10 power 2005 minus 1, 10 power 2010 minus 1. You got 10 power 5 minus 1, but you have forgot to realize that 10 power 2010 minus 1, it is actually divisible by 7. 10 power 2010 minus 1 divided by 7. 10 cube divided by 7, it is minus 1. So 10 power 6 divided by 7, it is minus 1 square 1. 1 minus 1 0. The idea is, you forgot to realize that you just took 3 and 7 HCF as 1, but 10 power 2010 minus 1, that number is divisible by 7. Why? Because 10 cube divided by 7, 7 ones are 7, remainder 3. 3 cube 27 minus 1. 10 cube by 7 is minus 1. 10 power 6 by 7 will be 1. 1 minus 1 0. That means when you are taking the HCF of the numerator, what you are doing? HCF of 3 into 10 power 2010 minus 1, comma 7 into 2 power 10 power 2005 minus 1. I hope it is clear. You are just doing this with this and this with this. 10 power 2010 minus 1, 10 power 2005 minus 1, 10 power 5 minus 1. That is over. This number is also divisible by 7. Why? Because two ways. Any single non-zero digit written in groups of 6, it is always divisible by 7. 10 cube by 7 minus 1, 10 power 6 by 7 plus 1. Very, very good question. Answer for this question is 5 sevens, not 5 ones. Answer for this question is 5 sevens, not 5 ones.